Hey, what is up, guys? Tyler here. I'm back to share with you a little update on Arbistar 2.0. If you don't know already, it compounds your Bitcoin and members earn almost around 25% per month on their Bitcoin. Arbistar produces innovative solutions, bots that trade crypto in the market. So if on exchange A, say Litecoin is cheaper, the bot will buy Litecoin and it will sell on a different exchange if it's more expensive, and then it'll take the profit from that. We have over 40,000 members now, and we're growing. It's automated. You set it and forget it. So I'm gonna do a little review, and I've been in it for a few months now, and I've been involved in the Facebook Messenger group that my friends and other people are involved in, and they do show payment proofs and updates as well for anyone that has any questions. We do also answer all those questions. So I'm just going to sign in here and I'm going to go over a few other things that I might have missed before. So when you sign up, it's really easy. You just get it's free to sign up. You just choose an email address, create a password. It's two-factor authenticated, so you can use Google Authenticator anytime you change your password or your Bitcoin address. Payouts are, it's just a little bit slower now. Okay. Payouts are every Saturday, and you can also choose to compound your Bitcoin. So just an update here. Probably the last time that I showed this, my my stats were a little less. I actually had probably total profit was 0.0108 or something like that. But as you can see, my today's ROI came in yesterday. Reset the accumulated income reset yesterday because it was the payout day and the bot cycles every 5 days. Today's ROI 0.56, weekly ROI, monthly ROI 20%, and my total profit there. So you do not need any referrals for this. This is totally just you put in all the percentage. Most of it is from the bot doing its work. Some new products came into the works here. So there's a few out right now that do work. The community bot is the most popular one. It's the one where you just simply purchase or you put Bitcoin in it and it does it automatically for you. We have the Pipster bot, Pipster Plus bot, Chiller bot, and bot, and there's also a VIP license which allows you to use all the products that are available now and in development for the future for free. So, and the company will actually, if you don't use any, the company will actually help you make a sales funnel page to sell the products so you can get money back on that. So another great thing about this company is that it does have a RBPay card. So you could actually, it's a one-time purchase and it costs 50 euros. And what it does is it takes the Bitcoin that you earn in this platform and you can just go ahead and buy products and with fiat currency, it transfers it to fiat currency and makes it really easy for you to do that. So it's one-time $50 fee. You can withdraw 3,500 euros per day of cash, and you can purchase up to 20,000 a day for purchases in shops. There's more detailed information if you want to check that out. That's another great thing about this company. If anyone has any questions or the official Facebook page, and if you do decide to get involved, I'll be glad to help you out and add you to our official Arbistar Passive Legends group with all the questions and answers and payment proof and everything like that. So if here's my finance, and it's been compounding and increasing over the weeks. So throughout the week, it'll add up to the Saturday, and then it will compound again the next week. So instead of withdrawing, I'm compounding my Bitcoin to hit bigger weekly goals. Although there is no reason to refer anybody, there's actually a referral program, a friend plan, and there's amazing comp plans. So if you get all these bonuses, you will actually get like extra bonuses. You'll get the first one, you just get 2% of each person that you get involved with, whatever they earn. And then there's another level where you get more compensation. And then there is a third level, which you actually will be put into a pool with other people that hit the goal. And you will be getting a pool of that 5% of the company's profits on the first Saturday of every month. So I think I pretty much went over everything. There's also it shows me how close I am to the goal here. But again, there's no reason to introduce anyone to this. If you want to, the goal is to achieve financial independence with the bots letting the bots do what they do. All you have to do is just contribute to the community bot. This company's been around for over a year now. It's been paying out every Saturday, and it's going to be here for a very long time because they have products in the works all the time. Crypto's here to stay. Crypto um, is a very lucrative investment to get into, especially if you're compounding your Bitcoin. Um, so if anyone has any questions, please feel to drop them below. I will add that right here in your profile. That is where you want to compound your Bitcoin. If you have it turned off, you'll be getting paid every Saturday. It's just a simple click of the button. And here over on the right side is my Bitcoin wallet address, the one which I would be getting paid to. And then I can validate my 2FA, which is, and then enter the code right here if I make any changes, like my Bitcoin wallet address or my password. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it, guys. You just can run through your dashboard here and see what your ROIs are for the every day, and you can see your graph on like the day before and the day after to get a feel for how much you're earning on your deposit. You can always put in more money if you ever like to, and your referral link is up here if you want to get your friends involved. It's a very lucrative and my favorite investment so far. All right, guys, if anyone has any questions, please feel to drop them below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll hopefully hear from you again or in the future. Bye, guys.